Welcome back to the POW-Mister channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to connect the automatic transfer switch or ATS to the POW-SunSmart 6.5KP all-in-one solar inverter system. The ATS model we are using in this demonstration may be different from the one you have, but through the working principle explained in this video, you will gain a clear and complete understanding of how an inverter works together with an ATS. For the exact wiring instructions, please always refer to the wiring diagram provided with your specific ATS product. The main role of an ATS in an inverter system is to act as a second-level switching protection device. Although the inverter itself already includes an internal transfer switch to maintain stable AC output, extreme conditions such as the inverter shutting down due to the low battery voltage or unexpected inverter faults may cause the inverter to stop supplying power. In such situations, the ATS serves as a backup protection mechanism, ensuring the loads can still receive power when the inverter's output and bypass are both unavailable. An ATS typically includes a set of main power input terminals, a set of backup power input terminals, and one or two sets of output terminals. For this system, if your ATS has two output terminal sets, they need to be connected in parallel. Most ATS units support both automatic and manual modes. When set to automatic switching, if both the main and backup power sources meet the required voltage, the ATS will prioritize the main power source. When the main source becomes unavailable, the ATS automatically switches to the backup source. When the main power source recovers, it switches back to the main source again. In this demonstration, we will connect the inverter's AC output to the main power input of the ATS and connect the utility grid to the backup power input. The two output terminal sets of the ATS will be connected in parallel, then wired to the load circuit. We will use a light bulb as a simple visual load so that you can clearly observe the switching behavior. After wiring the ATS, remove the inverter's terminal cover and connect the battery's positive and negative leads to the inverter's battery terminals. Then connect the inverter's AC output to the ATS main input. Note that the grounding wire does not pass through the ATS, connected directly to the load's grounding line. For the PV input and AC input wiring, you can refer to our previous POW-SunSmart 6.5KP wiring guide video. Next, reinstall the terminal cover on the inverter. Then use two wires to connect the neutral terminals of the two input sources to the corresponding feedback signal terminals at the bottom of the ATS. Before proceeding, we would like to emphasize again that you must follow the wiring diagram provided with your own ATS model. Different ATS units may have different structure designs. This video is intended to give you a clear connection concept rather than replace the official wiring instructions. After completing all connections, close the battery circuit breaker and start the inverter. Once the inverter begins normal output, you will see the main output indicator on the ATS light up, and the light bulb will turn on. Next, turn on the utility power. The backup power indicator on the ATS will light up. Then, by opening the battery circuit breaker and shut down the inverter, the ATS will automatically switch the load to utility power. In this demonstration, the ATS is operating in an automatic switching mode. This concludes our demonstration of connecting an ATS to the POW-SunSmart 6.5KP all-in-one solar inverter. We hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.